I know that you're very much excited about the program and thank you for inviting me for that. The FemPact.
Yes.
So हमारे सुनने वालों को बताएं कि FemPact क्या है, what's the objective?
Yeah, so FemPact is happening on the 2nd of Feb and Movenpick, and it's quite an exciting program for me because I've been doing a lot of conferences, diversity, inclusion, equity conferences, and I was dying to actually bring unspoken conversations out, and that's what I'm known for. That when I get to moderate a panel, I make sure the conversations that happen there are very memorable, and we talk about things that people are not ready to talk about usually. हमारे दो main areas हैं जिस पे हम बात करेंगे in this conference, and the first area is female financial literacy और उसकी need क्या है. दूसरी जो कहानी है ना वो है domestic violence is a workplace issue. I've been saying this from day one that victim who is going through abuse and the sort of trauma they're going through उनका brain को impact कर रहा है और the level of stress they're already going through, पर उसके ऊपर से काम का अलग से एक pressure होता है, so they cannot perform at their optimum level. You are losing a lot of potential by not actually helping your employees जो कि who are going
किसी
through
भी
a very
ऐसी
difficult
situation में
time.
है.
And keep in mind, as a company, if you have a female and she's going through abuse and you as a company stand up and actually help her in that situation, you have a loyal employee for life. आपकी retention rates बढ़ जाएंगी, आपकी turnover खत्म हो जाएगी, you can really milk it for what it's worth. It's a very big potential that's being lost.
Your event would be, you can say, the first drop, or you can say the ice breaking session.
It's the first big jump.
Big
Like,
jump.
by the way, we're here. This is a conversation. We need to have it right now.
All the best for the FemPact that's coming, and I'm sure, inshallah, that will be a growing legacy that you
Yeah,
are working on,
inshallah.
and I'm impressed again, like the
Thank
kind of
you.
impact you are making.
All of you guys, make sure you keep watching this show because I enjoyed today's event, like this entire podcast, and I know for a fact that there'll be a lot of golden nuggets coming out from this
Inshallah.
podcast in the future.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. See you all at the FemPact event.